Well, there was another big news story that happened in 2022, and honestly, I thought VMware getting spun out of Dell was going to be one of the biggest stories involving VMware for quite a while. Boy, was I wrong, because Broadcom and VMware managed to top that this year. We first heard about this happening back in late May. There was a discussion that Broadcom might be looking to pick up VMware. And a lot of people were wondering, well, what's going on here? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense, which touched off a firestorm of discussion. We heard about how this was just another notch in the post for VMware's acquisition hoopla. Think about all the number of times they've been bought. Honestly, it was another notch for Broadcom, who has wanted to shift away from using chips as their primary source of revenue into more of a software focus to diversify income. And of course, as soon as the announcement happened, both companies went into a quiet period where they couldn't really talk about it. And that quiet period extended across VMware Explore, which is the new VM world. And a lot of companies were there showcasing some of the things they were talking about. But there was a very big elephant in the show floor about what might happen in the future. Was VMware going to suffer from R&D cuts? Was Broadcom going to raise prices to recoup the investment of $61 billion as the reported cost of this acquisition? Well, Hawk Tan ended up having to come out with a statement in December saying, no, we're not going to raise prices, which left a lot of people wondering, well, then how exactly are you going to make money off of this? And given the fact that we recently reported on the fact that some of VMware's employees are starting to depart for different opportunities, it does kind of make everyone wonder what's going to happen in 2023. Will the deal go through as planned? Will there be something that gets in the way? Or quite honestly, will some other crazy random occurrence happen that will, force the way that this acquisition happens through a completely different lens? There's no telling.